Welcome to Lavanya's computer classes. In this video, I will explain for loop in Python. I will I'll show you the demo on laptop also. So what is a loop first? Loop means it is a continuous process to execute the statements repeatedly until the particular condition is reached. So this is a loop. Different types of loops we have, for loop and while loop. Now I will explain for loop. So what is the for loop mean? The for loop in Python is used to iterate the statements or a part of the program several times repeatedly. You want to print, you want to execute some set of statements, then we go for loop. In this loop, one simple loop example is for loop. Where we are using these loops means for loops are used in data structures like lists, tuples or dictionary. List means it contains some set of elements. You want to print all the set of statements in the set of list of items. Then we go for loop statements. What is the syntax of loop for loop? For we need any variable name in and seek, because in means it contains some elements, all the elements you want to print, sequence, list of elements, and for loop is compulsory end with like a colon. So syntax of for loop is for variable, any variable name, in, sequence, set of list of elements, colon, then what type of elements we want to print the statements. So this is the syntax of for loop. Then we go for flowchart. Here conditional box flowchart, because the variable is in the sequence or not. First it check the condition. If the variable is in the sequence, if it is true, because conditional box either it may be true or false. If it is true, then it is entering into the body of the loop. Print the statements, again check the condition. It is continuous process. Wherever the item is not in the sequence, that means it is in false, then go to next one. If item is not, no item is in the sequence, then go to next line of the for loop statement. So this is the syntax of for loop and this is the flowchart of for loop statement. Now we will explain with some examples. Here I will take one variable, the variable name is str equal to Python. That means it is the string. Now I want to print one character at a time. So how can you print this one? Then we go for loop. For what is my variable name? My variable name is I in. All the values are there in the which place means it is in the str. So colon. So I value take one item from the str. Print I. Print I means this is the output. In the str which values are there? Python, set of characters. But I for loop means it takes one value at a time. From the Python it takes first P, then Y, T, H, O, N, like this it printed. So this is the one example. Next example, I take one more variable like list equal to square brackets. List of items are kept in the square brackets. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So in the list I will take 10 values. Next variable n equal to 5. This is the example program for I want to print fifth table. 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10, like this. So which table I want to print? I want to print n value is 5. Now I want to write the loop. For I in list. List of elements means 1 to 10 elements are there. Next I value is taking one element at a time from the list. Colon. C equal to n into I. What is the n value? N value is 5. Print C. See here for I in list means list values are from 1 to 10. So I value is taking starting 1. What is the C value? C n value n into I. N means 5. 5 into 1. 5 into 1. What is the value of 5 into 1? 5. So 5 is printed. Once 5 is printed, I value is taking second one. 1 to 10 na, so I value is now 2. Again coming to here. C value, n is no change to 5 into, what is I value? 2. Like this is printed 5, 10, 50. So this is the simple for loop. I value in the whatever the variable you enter, take the values from this list only. Now I will go for one more example for loop only with range option. For loop with range option. So how can you give the range means there are one operation is there, that is range only. Within the brackets, we can give starting position, starting number, stop number and step. From where we start, from where you want to end and how many values you have to increment. Here start and stop is there, step is optional. If you are not specified step, it takes automatically one. Example, see the example. For I is the variable name, I in range. Range 1, 10. Here I write only start and stop only. I am not specify step. If you are not specify the step, it takes increment is only 1 at a time. So print I. So I means I value starting from 1 and where we stop 10. Here one point you have to remember. It is 10 means it prints up to 1 to 9 only. One number less than it prints. If we want to print 10 also, then we take range is from 1 to 11. 1 to 11 means it prints 1 to 10. If you are giving 1, 10 means it prints only up to 9. So this is the output. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So this is the for loop in Python. Now these programs I will execute on PyCharm and I will show you that is also in this video. So this is the example program for print natural numbers from 1 to 10. So for printing continuous numbers, we go for loop. For I in range. Range, what is the range values? Starting value and stop value. Starting value is 1, comma, ending value is 10. Here we take one more extra value, otherwise it prints up to n minus 1 only. So this is 1, 9, 9 and you want to print all the numbers 1, 10 only. 10 means you give one more number extra, that's why 1, 11. Starting number is 1, ending number is 11. So I want to print all the numbers. Printing command is print only, print I. So see here output is the numbers are printing from 1 to 10. That's why starting number is 1, ending number is 11 means n minus 1. Now here see 1, 1000. Starting number is 1, ending number is 1000 means it printed up to 999. Number 1 to 999. See the down output value is 999. One more example. Print starting number from 10 to 15. So for I in range, what is the starting number? The starting number is 10, 15. 15 means it prints before the number. Print I and colon also, that is for loop syntax, print I. Here see the output, what is the output is coming here, starting number 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Up to 14 the values are printed because start, stop, but it prints before the one number only. 10, 15 means it prints only 10 to 14 only. Now one more example to print all odd numbers. All odd numbers between 1 to 10. So how we write it means for I in range, starting number 1, stopping number is 10, but odd numbers means increment 2 values at a time. So write one more method, that is step, 2. So print I. So 1 is the starting number, stop number is 10 and how many values are incremented means 2 values incremented at a time. So print I. So then starting number 1, next increment 1 plus 2, 3, 3 plus 2, 5, 5 plus 2, 7, 7 plus 2, 9. This is the example program for odd numbers. Thank you for watching my video. If you like this video, subscribe my channel, share it to your friends and like it. Thank you.